Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel IELTS Perfection. In today's video, we're tackling one of the most important parts of IELTS Writing Task 1, describing trends. I'll show you how to talk about rises, falls, and everything in between with confidence. Let's dive in and make those graphs a piece of cake. The first category is increase. You can use the words rise, climb, grow, surge, jump, increase, go up, escalate, improve, shoot up, and soar.
1. The number of tourists rose significantly from 200,000 to 500,000 over a 5-year period. 2. Sales of organic food climbed steadily, reaching a peak in 2019. 3. The population of the city grew by 15% between 2010 and 2020. 4. Exports soared in the first quarter with an increase of over 50%.
Next category is decrease. You can use the words decline, drop, fall, decrease, go down, plunge, plummet, shrink, deteriorate, and reduce.
1. The price of housing dropped sharply in 2008 due to the financial crisis. 2. Car sales fell slightly in the last quarter of the year. 3. The stock market plummeted by 20% within a week of the announcement. 4. Energy consumption declined steadily throughout the winter months.
For fluctuations, you can use the words and phrases like oscillate, fluctuate, vary, be erratic, rise and fall, change sporadically.
1. The number of visitors to the park fluctuated between 10,000 and 15,000 throughout the year. 2. Oil prices oscillated over the decade, reflecting global economic trends. 3. The graph shows that rainfall levels varied sporadically with no clear pattern. 4. Electricity demand was erratic, rising during summer and falling in winter.
And for steadiness, use the phrases like remain stable, plateau, level up, remain constant, and stabilize.
1. The unemployment rate remained stable at around 5% during the study period. 2. Profits plateaued after an initial increase in the first quarter. 3. The temperature remained constant throughout the month of July. 4. Housing prices leveled off after peaking in 2018.
Have any words or phrases in mind? Comment below and let others learn them. See you in the next lesson.